how you can share your FA1 answers in Google Classroom with your teacher. For that, just click on Google Classroom. Select your class. For example, you are from class 5th. Open class 5th. Go to classwork. Suppose you have given Hindi exam today, so you will have to share Hindi answers. So for that, go to Hindi heading. Below, you will see FA1 Hindi exam. Click on that. Then down you will see share your work. Pull it upside. Press add attachment. Take photo of your answer. For example, you will take page 1. One time you click. Don't send your answers in this way because we cannot check it properly. Okay, you'll have to keep your mobile just above your notebook neatly. Light should be clear, picture should be clear, and take your photo. If the photo is good of your answer, page 1, press tick. After that, it will upload. It will take a bit time. Now one photo is uploaded. Okay, then go to add attachment again because you have to share for one more page. Then again take photo. Click on the next page like this. Again I'm telling, don't take the photos like this. It's difficult to check your answers. Click the photo nicely. Press the tick button if the photo is clear. Again it will add. If you have more than 2 pages, you can do the same process again and again. And at the end of the page, for example, you have selected all the answers, all the pages with your teacher, and you have uploaded all the pages. Last step will be hand in. It is very important. If you will not press hand in, what will happen? You are given an exam and keeping the answer sheet in your bag. You're not sharing with your teacher. Just after selecting all the page, after sending all the page, just last step will be hand in. Again hand in. That's it. Now you can come out like this.